Chuck gliders are small free-flight model aircraft, normally made from sheet balsa. Although many employ partial build, up structures and composite fuselage booms, gliders are principally used for the air sports of gliding, hang gliding and paragliding. However, some spacecraft have been designed to descend as gliders, and in the past military gliders have been used in warfare, so a good aerodynamic design give better flight performance. Glider is an unpowered flying vehicle. Its wing generates both thrust and lift to make it airworthy. It is an ideal platform to understand the precise low-speed aerodynamics. How it works on other flying vehicles. Weight, lift, thrust, and drag are the four principles of aerodynamics. These physics of flight and aircraft structures forces cause an object to travel upwards and downwards, as well as faster and slower. Aerodynamics is the way air moves around things. The rules of aerodynamics explain how an airplane is able to fly. Anything that moves through air reacts to aerodynamics. A rocket blasting off the launch pad and a kite in the sky react to aerodynamics. Daniel Bernoulli, a Dutch-Swiss mathematician, published Hydrodynamica in 1738, in which he defined a fundamental relationship between friction, density, and flow velocity for incompressible flow that is now known as Bernoulli's theory, which is used to calculate aerodynamic lift.